Hey, welcome back to my channel. Phace 3011612 MO2 40 Vizl2 Series Welding Helmet. Manufacturer, Phace. Part number, 3011612. Item weight, 2 pounds. Product dimensions, 9 by 9 by 10 inches. Country of origin, China. Item model number, 3011612. Batteries, 1 lithium metal batteries required. Is discontinued by manufacturer, no. Material, plastic. Item package quantity, 1. Measurement system, metric. Included components, helmet. Batteries included, yes. Batteries required, no. Battery cell type, lithium metal. Warranty description: Phace welding helmet is covered with 1-year warranty from the day of purchase. October 3, 2014. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.